Welcome to DHP Health, Human Disease Know and Knowledge Grain and Right Decision of Treatment. If you can allopathy or homeopathy treatment, good health is our mission. Greetings, I'm Dr. K.M. Razaul Karim Mukul Skin Diseases. Psoriasis, a close-up of red, scaly patches on the elbows or knees of a person. The skin should appear inflamed with silver flakes, showing the chronic nature of the condition. Eczema, a child or adult with red, itchy rashes on the arms or face. The skin is dry and cracked, with the person visibly scratching. Acne, a teenager's face with pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads, especially on the cheeks and forehead. The background could include skincare products or a mirror. Melanoma, a detailed image of a mole on someone's skin that is asymmetrical with uneven borders and multiple colors indicating potential skin cancer. Vitiligo, a person with white patches of skin around their hands and face contrasting with darker surrounding skin, showing the loss of pigmentation. Sexual and reproductive diseases, both male and female. Endometriosis is a condition where tissue similar to the lining inside the uterus grows outside of it. This can cause scarring and inflammation, particularly around the ovaries and fallopian tubes. Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is characterized by multiple small cysts on the ovaries. Women with PCOS may experience symptoms such as acne, thinning hair, and weight gain. Erectile dysfunction is a condition where a man has difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. It can be a source of concern and may be associated with other indicators like medication bottles or brochures on sexual health. Prostate cancer. Infertility, male. Infertility, female. Small penis syndrome, also known as micropenis, is a condition that can have significant emotional and psychological effects on those affected. It's important to understand that this condition is more than just a physical issue. It can deeply impact a person's self-esteem and mental well-being. Vaginal infections, such as yeast infections, are common and can cause discomfort. Symptoms often include redness, discharge, and itching. It's essential to recognize these signs early and seek appropriate treatment to alleviate discomfort and prevent further complications. Ovarian cysts are fluid-filled sacs that can develop on the ovaries. While they are often harmless, they can sometimes cause pain and other symptoms. It's crucial to monitor these cysts and consult a healthcare provider if you experience persistent discomfort or any unusual symptoms. Bone and muscle diseases. Osteoporosis, an elderly woman with a hunched back holding her spine. An X-ray view of her bones shows porous, weakened bone structure. Rheumatoid arthritis, an elderly person with swollen, stiff hands shown massaging the joints. A close-up of the affected joints shows inflammation and deformity. Muscular dystrophy. Fibromyalgia. Bone fracture, also known as osteogenesis imperfecta. Breast and tumor diseases. Breast cancer, a woman undergoing a mammogram with a medical diagram showing a tumor within the breast tissue. The image should highlight the detection and care process. Fibrocystic breast disease, a close-up of a woman performing a self-breast examination with a medical overlay showing lumpy, fibrous tissue in the breast. Benign breast tumor, also known as fibroadenoma. This is a non-cancerous tumor, often round and smooth, typically found in young women. Unlike malignant tumors, fibroadenomas do not spread to other parts of the body and generally pose no serious health risks. Breast abscess. This condition involves a pus-filled abscess within the breast tissue. often causing significant redness, swelling, and pain. It is commonly seen in breastfeeding mothers, leading to discomfort and requiring prompt medical attention. Digestive system and gastrointestinal diseases. These conditions affect the organs involved in digestion, including the stomach, intestines, and liver. Symptoms can range from mild discomfort to severe pain, and can significantly impact overall health and quality of life. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, often known as GERD, is a condition where stomach acid frequently flows back into the tube connecting your mouth and stomach. This acid reflux can irritate the lining of your esophagus, causing discomfort and heartburn. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is a common disorder that affects the large intestine. Symptoms include cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and diarrhea or constipation, or sometimes both. It can be quite painful and affect the quality of life. Liver cirrhosis is a late stage of scarring of the liver caused by many forms of liver diseases and conditions, such as hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. The liver damage done by cirrhosis generally can't be undone, but if liver cirrhosis is diagnosed early and the cause is treated, further damage can be limited. Kidney stones. An X-ray image of a person's kidney, showing a small stone causing blockage. The person is in visible pain, holding their lower back. Gallstones. A medical illustration showing gallstones within the gallbladder, alongside a person holding their right side in pain, indicating a gallbladder attack. Other common conditions. Piles, also known as hemorrhoids. Varicose veins. Small breast size, medically referred to as micromastia. Diseases of pregnant women. Preeclampsia. A pregnant woman lying in a hospital bed, connected to a blood pressure monitor and an IV drip, showing the severity of high blood pressure and pregnancy complications. Hyperemesis gravidarum. A pregnant woman suffering from severe nausea, holding her stomach with an IV drip nearby. The background emphasizes the extreme vomiting associated with the condition. Placenta previa is a condition where the placenta covers the cervix, which can cause complications during pregnancy and delivery. Diseases of newborns and children encompass a range of conditions that can affect the health and development of infants and young children. Neonatal jaundice is a common condition in newborns, characterized by a yellowish skin tone. Treatment often involves phototherapy, where the baby is placed under blue lights to reduce bilirubin levels. Nurses closely monitor the baby's vitals during this process. Congenital heart defect. This condition involves a structural defect in a baby's heart, often visible as a hole in the septum. It's a serious issue that typically requires medical attention early in life. Asthma, childhood. Asthma in children can be particularly challenging. A child using a nebulizer surrounded by their toys highlights the chronic nature of this condition. Difficulty in breathing is a common symptom that needs careful management. Measles. Measles is characterized by red, blotchy rashes covering the body. A child with these symptoms sitting next to a thermometer often indicates a fever. It's crucial for a doctor to check for these symptoms and provide appropriate care. Teenager diseases. Acne. Scoliosis. Adolescent depression. I am Dr. K.M. Razaul Karim Mukul, dedicated to serving the underprivileged, orphans, the elderly, and the weak in our community. At Gulgular Moor, Kamarpura, Turag Thana, and the Basan Sarak bus stand in Gazipur, I provide comprehensive medical care and medications entirely free of charge. My commitment to humanity drives my practice, ensuring that no one is turned away due to financial constraints. In a world where access to healthcare can often feel like a privilege, I strive to create a reliable institution for the treatment of all ailments. Young adult diseases. Type 1 diabetes. A young adult checking their blood sugar with a glucometer surrounded by insulin supplies. The image should focus on daily management of the disease. Sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. A subtle medical diagram showing symptoms of common STIs like genital sores or warts, alongside a doctor explaining preventive measures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to DHP Health for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy, stay informed.